Hello, my friends. I literally just got home and ran to the mailbox. Well, I didn't run, it's icy out. But I went to the mailbox because I had a notice in my email saying my package arrived from Lime Life. Has anybody heard of Lime Life out there? I hadn't until my friend on Facebook posted a picture of her doing her eyelashes, and I was like, oh wow. I really wanted a good mascara. So that's what this is. Here it is. And I've never tried anything from this company before, but I trust her because she knows her stuff. That's probably backwards, but anyways. This is a tubing mascara. Tunnel Vision Tubing Mascara. And Lime Life is more into their clean makeup. So I'm super excited to try. Let's open this up. I went into the bathroom and I took makeup eyeliner off this eye and left, not eyeliner, mascara off of this eye and left it on that eye. But here's the problem. I wear glasses and I have a hard enough time seeing in the big mirror when I'm putting on my makeup, so I'm wondering how the heck I'm gonna look in here and do it. But we'll try. Okay, I took it out of the package. Sorry, I got so excited. I'm supposed to unbox it here with ya. Okay, I'm like the Elcom. It's cold. Maybe it's gonna need to warm up. Let's take a look what the brush looks like. Brush. Looks like a nice brush. Okay, ready guys? I'm gonna take my glasses off and we're gonna just try this. This could be a disaster. Oh man, I literally cannot, I'm not sure if I can do this. Like I cannot see in this. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go in the bathroom and turn this around. Okay, I'm in the bathroom. I'm not gonna turn it around, but I'm gonna look in the mirror while you guys see me in that. Okay, let's try this again, but I'm wondering, this is a bit cold. I think it needs to be a little bit warmer to go on. Okay, let's try and do this. You know, I still can't see it very good. Looking like I'm not gonna know until I put my glasses on. Yeah, but I think we're gonna have to do this again. I mean, it looks like it's doing a good job even though it's cold. It really, I know mascara, you should warm it up, it'll work better. I mean, what do you see, guys? I'm not gonna try and do the bottom ones right now, but can you see a difference in that eye to the other eye? I also have like eyeliner on. Like I should have done it without the eyeliner and you could really see. Can I put my glasses on, have a quick peek? Yeah, oh, I gotta look in the other mirror. It's really nice. Oh yeah, I've got much more length than the other eye, definitely. And I know if I warmed it up and played with it more, it'd be even more so. So we'll have to do another video on that. I do, like I'm not a distributor of this, but since I bought one of these, yeah, they gave me like a little discount code that I can share with anybody. So if anyone's interested, let me know and you'll get 10% off when I send you the link to that. Okay. But I'll do another one with my eyes and show you better. But I was just so excited to share it. Okay, see you later.